Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to learn how to do transition effects in a slide. Number 1. Number 2. How to insert sound in your presentation. Okay. And third, how to insert videos in your presentation. So three things we are going to learn today. How to insert how to apply your transition effects to the slide. Second, sound. Even we can insert our own sound in a presentation. That also we are going to learn. And third thing is how to insert video or a video link in your presentation. Okay, so quickly we will start. I am very happy with your performance. Many of you have completed your mosquito life cycle. So I have taken the same example. So mosquito life cycle, I have written here something. All mosquitoes species go through four distinct stages: egg, larva, pupa and adult. And then I have selected four pictures and applied animation that you have done already. Okay, just first picture I have inserted. See how I have inserted the animation, custom animation. See number 1, that is your picture 2. Okay, on mouse click, then right arrow, then again this picture. See here you can see the picture and the animation effect. I have given two animation effect. One is your at the all the stars are in the green color, that means I have given the animation effect of entrance type. Then again arrow, then picture 6, then arrow, then picture 7, then arrow. So one by one all the pictures will appear. Okay. Now suppose I want to insert a my sound in your presentation. Before that we will do transition effects. So how to apply transition? Okay. Again I am on the first slide, that is mosquito life cycle. On this animation tab, you have seen there transition to this slide. Different examples are given there. Select any one example, and what is that transition? Transition means when one slide changes to another slide, the effect applied on changing is known as your transition effect. Okay. Suppose this is your first slide and on changing second slide, means that when second slide comes, the transition effect is applied this or this one. So preview is displayed here only. I have selected this one. So this will be your transition. Okay. Now suppose I want to apply this transition to all the slides. So what I have to do? I have to click on apply to all. Otherwise the transition will be applied to single slide. So I am leaving here apply to all. So my transition is applied to all the slides. Now suppose I want to insert sound. Okay. Suppose here I want to insert a sound. So what can I do? If I am going to insert anything, I have to click on the tab insert tab. Okay. Then click on your sound. Then suppose sound from file. So I have selected sound from file. Then I am going to click on the libraries, and in libraries music folder. So what happened? Sample music is there. Okay, I have selected here sleep away. Okay. Now what happened? It is asking you how do you want the sound to start in the slideshow. Okay. Two options are given there, automatically or when clicked. So I am going to select here automatically, means automatically sound will be displayed here. And as you have inserted the sound icon will be inserted here. See, this is your sound icon which you can place it anywhere. Okay, and this sound will be played automatically. Okay. Now suppose you want that this sound should be continued till the end of your presentation. So what you have to do, double click on the sound icon. Okay. And then click on loop until stopped. So this sound effect will be applied to the complete presentation. Okay. Now if you want to insert your own sound, and suppose I want my sound should be inserted in this slide. So how I can record my own sound, how I can insert my own sound in a presentation. So what you have to do, the first thing, you have to attach microphones, or we can say your earphones, to a computer. Okay. So how to insert that earphones in your computer? Your computer is having one audio jack, a small circular port where you can insert the pin. And if you are going to see, the icon for your earphones or the speakers will be displayed on the computer. So attach your microphone or your earphones to the computer, the first thing. Second thing, click on insert tab, click on sound, and then record sound. Now suppose you want to record sound. Suppose I am displaying here life cycle of mosquito. So I am going to say something about the life cycle of mosquito. So what I have to do, before starting, there are three buttons. One is your play icon, second is your stop, and third is your red button is for record. So I am going to click here on record. Okay, so let us start. I am going to click on the record after connecting with earphones. I am going to say something about that. This picture shows you life cycle of mosquito. The first phase of mosquito is your eggs. Eggs are hatched into your water. Then larva is there. And after the larva, pupa will be developed, and pupa will be converted into your adult mosquito. Again, adult mosquito hatches egg in the water. So this is all about life cycle of mosquito. Life cycle contains four phases: eggs, larva, pupa, and mosquito. After doing that, I have clicked on stop. Now just play this to listen. This picture shows you life cycle of mosquito. The first phase of mosquito is your eggs. Eggs are hatched into your water. Then larva is there. And after the larva, pupa will be developed, and pupa will be converted into your adult mosquito. Again, adult mosquito hatches egg in the water. So this is all about life cycle of mosquito. So again, you will see a small icon, speaker icon, means in this slide you have inserted your own slide. Okay, own sound. Okay. So first we have learned how to apply transitions. Transitions means when one slide changes into another, the animation effects given to the slide is known as your transition effects. The second thing we have learned how to insert sound which is already present in your computer. Okay. Now we are going to learn, third thing we have learned how to insert your own sound. Now we are going to learn how to insert video or how to insert a video link. So suppose I have created one slide, video for mosquito life cycle, and suppose I want कि any YouTube video will be shown here. Okay, so I have to insert hyperlink on this slide, and it will be working when your slide is when your slides are running when your internet connection is there. So how to insert hyperlink? Click on insert. Click on hyperlink. This is the icon for hyperlink. Two things are there, links, hyperlink, action. So we are going to click on hyperlink. Okay. Text to display. So I am going to write here, click here to see mosquito life cycle. क्या लिखा मैंने? Click here to see mosquito life cycle. You can write any other text also. Okay. And then I am going to open my Google Chrome browser. And in Google Chrome browser, I have already selected one video. This is the video showing your mosquito life cycle. So I am going to copy the link, clicking on here, right click, copy, and then minimize. Okay. And then click here in the address, right click, paste. What happened? Text is click here to see mosquito life cycle, and address is your http://www.youtube.com, whatever is the link. Click on OK. What happened? Here the text will be displayed. Click here to see mosquito life cycle. Now what we have to do? Next slide is your thank you. Now after creating this slide, we can apply design. So click on the design tab. Okay. Selecting any one design which suits my theme. So I'm going to select any one design. Okay. I'm selecting this one. So I've selected the design and then click on slideshow from beginning. Mosquito life cycle. On clicking the mouse click. Next. See, as we have inserted the sound will be coming. Clicking on next. We have applied animation. So the pictures are coming one by one through your animation effects. Clicking on the sound icon.
This picture shows you life cycle of mosquito. The first phase of mosquito is your eggs. Eggs are hatched into your water. Then larva is there, and after the larva pupa will be developed, and pupa will be converted into your adult mosquito. Again adult mosquito hatches egg in the water. So this is all about life cycle of mosquito. Life cycle contains 4 phases: eggs, larva, pupa and mosquito.
Clicking on to the next. Here video for mosquito life cycle. I am going to click here. What happened? Directly I am going to jump on the YouTube. And I can play my video. After that,
Namaste.
Mosquitoes go through 4 stages of development in their lives.
see.
They undergo complete metamorphosis. Culex mosquitoes lay their eggs on the surface of fresh water or in areas that will be temporarily wet a few times. Pupae live at the water's.
Your video will be played here. When we click on the cross
The
button,
adult
means when we
breaks
are
out
going
of the
to
pupal
close
case.
it. We are on the slideshow. Okay. So this is all about your inserting sound and inserting your hyperlink. Do it at your home. You modify your presentation. You have already made mosquito life cycle. So make changes in that. Take care. Stay at home. Goodbye.